No.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, everyone. We are very warmly welcome you everyone to the short course session for this year, 2023, on the most demanding content surveillance softwares in digital quantification. As the Alumni Association of College of Content Surveying, we are very pleased to prepare a platform to learn most popular content surveillance softwares in one place. Please make sure that our technical team mutes participant microphones to reduce the disturbance, but we will break the rule during the Q&A session.
With that, we have come to one of the most significant moments of the day's proceedings, the instruction of our resource person. We are extremely privileged to have this very special personality with us who will be sharing his expertise and guiding us in the upcoming days. He is well known quantity surveyor who graduated from General Sir John Kotalawala Defence University with the BSc Honours in Quantity Surveying degree, who believes in the digitalized construction. He has past experience of working in large construction companies in Sri Lanka as well as Oman. He is an executive director at Tusker International Muscat, Oman, the leader of the digital construction management and construction software training company in the Middle East region. Also, he is an education representative of Jordan Middle East region. Not only that, he has trained more than 1,000 students in using new software like Bluebeam, PlanShift, Costex, and help them find excellent job opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, he is none other than Mr. Tilna Vitaram. On behalf of AACQS, we would like to express our warm welcome to you. Mr. Tilna Vitaram, the podium is yours. Over to you.
Yes, thank you very much. I think I'm audible to you all. My name is Thirani Vitarama, and thank you very much for your kind introduction. Today, we are going to learn about new digital technologies. So, this will be an amazing experience to you all. Before we start today's session, I will give you further introduction about myself. Okay, then you will know me better. Then you can contact me with LinkedIn, and we can share many things. I will share my screen and I will further explain about myself. Okay, so then you can get a very good understanding about me. Please give me a moment. I will share my screen. Okay. So this is my LinkedIn profile. As you all can see, my name is Thirina Vitarama, and this is my LinkedIn profile. So I'm 5D BIM quantity surveyor, BIM specialist, and 3D modeling, and I'm partner at Gordon International, and I'm executive director at Tusker International, and I have another company, Technosaga City, in Sri Lanka. So I have a couple of companies. I will show you very interesting thing. I will go to this resume website. I think it's not working in here in Middle East. Instead of that, I will show you a presentation. So this is my country technical representative certificate for Gordon. This is for Middle East region. And I have done several CPD sessions. So this is one CPD session I have done for IESL, Engineering Association, Dubai. This is another CPD session I have conducted for SLQS Oman with regards to building information modeling. And this is another lecture I have conducted for CyberQS Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever BIM competition held in Sri Lanka. So me and Chartered Quantity Surveyor Suranga Jayasena and Chartered Quantity Surveyor Hasitha Gunasekara participated for this conference. And 70 people attend to this session. And this is another interactive training session I have conducted for IQSSL Sri Lanka. I have done the digitalization part, digital technology, digital quantification part for their MEP program. This is another session for IQSSL, and this is a highlight of my Toastmaster journey. So I am the vice VP membership for IQSSL Toastmaster Club. So if you want to improve your communication skills, you can join for IQSSL Toastmasters Club. So I have won a couple of competitions for IQSSL Toastmaster Club as Toastmaster. And this is a remarkable achievement of my career, teaching career. So I have trained lecturers of University of Moratuwa, Chartered Quantity Surveyor Suranga Jayasena sir organized that particular session. So I have trained all the staff of University of Moratuwa. And this is physical training I have conducted for VICM Consultants, one of the leading cost consultants in Sri Lanka. And this is IJVR valuation company. And this is the physical training I have done for Sunken Overseas. And this is another training I have done for Construction Cost Management Services Private Limited. And I have trained almost all the leading consultancy firms in Sri Lanka, including QServe, CLAC, SEC, Moonstone, VForm, Value Management Services. And I have trained Sri Lanka Army and ICC staff too. And this is my Cubicos training. Up to now, I think I have trained more than 2,000 quantity surveys with regards to this Cubicos 5D BIM program all over the world, not only in Sri Lanka. And this is one physical training I have done with some veteran quantity surveys in Oman. And then I started the QS software all-in-one course. This is my first batch. 110 students participated for this batch. Now I have trained more than 1,000 quantity surveys with this QS software all-in-one program. And this is the final year BIM module I have done for KDU, Sir John Kothallal Defence University. And I have another course, BIM with Revit and Naviswork. And this is amazing experience for me. I have conducted a competition among students and I have given some valuable gifts for the winners. So this is my teaching career. So today you are going to learn this QS software all-in-one. So this will be a really good experience to you all. Now 100 participants in this meeting. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to put your question in the chat box. Okay, so and you can turn on your microphone anytime and ask me any question. So let's go to the subject. Okay, so this will be very good experience to you all. So before moving into these softwares, let's get a basic idea about digitalization. Okay, so this is very interesting subject. So first you have to learn about digitalization before everything. Okay, so first we will get an idea about digitalization. Okay, so with some practical examples. So these are some examples for digital transformation. Okay, so please observe banking sector. Okay, so we have experienced with this. Okay, so we experience digital banking. We use debit cards, credit cards. Okay, so we have practical experience with digital banking. Okay, so now you know what is digitalization with these practical experiences. Okay, rather than thinking about theories. Okay, um, it is very easy to understand about things by using your practical experiences. And socializing. Okay, so we know socializing. Okay, we have Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Okay, so we have lot of digital platforms to socialize. And transportation industry. Okay, so if you go to country like Japan, China, okay, so you can experience digitalization in this transformation industry. And retail. Okay, so we experience digitalization in retails as well. If you go to a shop, uh, they will get your good and they will scan the barcode of it and they will price your goods. Okay, so you have experience uh, with this. Then the construction industry. Now we have to think about our industry, construction industry, and we have to think about where are we. Okay, so as quantity surveyors, construction professionals, we have uh, great responsibility. Okay, so we have to uh, work with this digitalization in order to uplift our construction industry. Okay, so now we have to talk about digital building. Okay, so first I will talk about physical building. So we have to uh, do our design in a physical environment. Architects, structural engineers, quantity surveyors get together and they will give their ideas and they will do the design in a physical environment. Then we have to do pre-construction. Okay, so we have to prepare BOQs and we have to do tendering under this pre-construction. Then we have to start construction. After the construction, we have to do maintenance as well. Okay, so this is our physical building. Then we have to talk about virtual building. What is this virtual building? Okay, so in this virtual scenario, we can do our design in a collaborative manner. Okay, building information modeling is the best example. Okay, structural engineers, architects, quantity surveyors can they get together in a digital platform and share their ideas and do a collaborative design. Okay, then we can do virtual pre-construction. What is virtual pre-construction? Okay, the best example is e-tendering. Okay, so we can there are plenty of e-tendering platforms available in the world, and we can do virtual pre-construction, and we can do some simulations by using our 3D models. Okay, so it is very interesting area. Then we can do virtual construction. Okay, so if you have softwares like Revit, ArchiCAD, okay, you can create 3D models. Okay, then you can synchronize those 3D models with your construction timeline and you can simulate those construction projects. Okay, so this is virtual pre-construction. Before the construction, you can simulate your whole construction project by using modern technologies. Then you have to do you can do virtual maintenance. The best example for this virtual maintenance is digital twin. Okay, so you can create a digital replica of your physical asset and you can use sensors and technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, and you can update your digital replica with these physical information. Okay, then you can take very important decisions with regards to maintenance by using those technologies. Okay, so this is virtual building. Okay, so you can use your virtual building to take
Excuse me,
important
sir.
decisions. Yes.
So there are a message at the group
Uh-huh.
who can't access the meeting. Can you have a look?
Yes. I will look. Actually, I think we have reached the maximum participants. Okay.
So what we can do for it?
Uh, so I have to upgrade my Zoom package. So we will provide the recording of this session. Actually, I'm going to upload the, the session in the YouTube. Then we can solve the issue. Okay. I think in payment group, we only have 100 students, but I think, yeah, we can provide them the recording. Okay, so today
Okay,
we
sir.
are
Thank you.
only delivering theoretical part, no? So then we can provide them the recording. Okay, so yeah, actually my limit is 100 students, but now I think there are more than 100 students. We will provide the recording. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Okay. Uh, so this is virtual building. Okay, so I think now you have got a very good understanding about physical building and virtual building. Now with these digital softwares like PlanShift, Bluebeam, and Costex, we can uh, quantify our building. Okay, so by using Costex software, we can create a small 3D design. And if you get a 3D model, we can quantify it by using Costex software. So these things are very important for your career. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about the softwares we are going to learn in this course. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask now. Okay, you can turn on your microphone and ask me directly, or you can uh, put a message in the chat box. Okay. Okay, I will use the Sinhala language also because there are a lot of Sri Lankan students. ඔයාලට ඕන ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න පුළුවන් ලැන්ග්වේජ් එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ සිංහලෙන් වුණත් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න පුළුවන්. හරි මේක හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්න. හරි මේක ඔයාලගේ ජීවිතේ වෙනස් කරන software course එකක් වෙයි. ඒකට හොඳම උදාහරණ කිහිපයක්ම මට ගිය සතිය හම්බුණා මම ඔයාලත් එක්ක share කරා. හරි අදත් මට ළමයෙක් කතා කරලා කිව්වා විශේෂයෙන්ම මෙතන ගෑනු ළමයි ඉන්නවා. එතකොට ගොඩාක් ගෑනු ළමයින්ගේ තියෙන මතයක් තමයි මිඩල් ඊස්ට් රීජන් එකට යන්න බයයි. හරි ඒ කට්ටිය හිතනවා මිඩල් ඊස්ට් රීජන් එකට යන්න පුළුවන් පිරිමි ළමයින්ට විතරයි කියලා. නමුත් අද මට ළමයෙක් කතා කරා ඔයාලා විශ්වාස කරයි දන්නේ නැහැ සෞදි වලට ගිහිල්ලා ගෑනු ළමයෙක් එයාට opportunity එකක් හම්බ වෙලා විශේෂයෙන් මේ Costex software එක නිසා. හරි මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන ළමයාව ක්ලාස් එකට ගෙනහල්ලා එයාගේ අදහස එයා සෞදි වලට ගියාට පස්සේ ඔයාලත් එක්ක share කරවන්න. එතකොට අපිට මේ link එකෙන් ගොඩක් ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ quantity surveyorsලට opportunities හදලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. හරි ගිය සතියේ මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා 3 දෙනෙක් ඩුබායි වල job opportunities ලබා ගත්තා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ සෞදි job එක නම් කෙලින්ම Costex වලින් එයාට හම්බ වෙච්ච opportunity එක. ඒ නිසා ඔයාලා හොඳට මේක හිතට ගන්න හොඳට වැඩ කරන්න මාත් එක්ක මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ. ඒක නිසා ඕන දෙයක් තිබ්බොත් මගෙන් අහන්න මේ softwares ගැඹුරින්ම ඉගෙන ගන්න. හරි හරි තිබ්බොත් ඕන වෙලාවක මට කතා කරන්න. හරි. Okay guys, extremely sorry Yasotharan and Sikandar because I use Sinhala language because there are plenty of Sri Lankan students in this group, and I'm wishing to use Sinhala language time to time. Extremely sorry. So I explained the things I have talked before in Sinhala. So yeah, extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Let's continue in English. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you these measurement software. Okay, please give me a moment. I will share my screen. Okay, okay, this knowledge will be very, very important for you. Okay, please. Okay. Digital quantification. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, guys, digital quantification. What is digital quantification? Okay, so we have plenty of experience with this manual quantification. Okay, as university students, as college students, we have plenty of experience with this manual quantification. Okay, 35 years back, our quantity surveyors took these physical drawings and measured these drawings by using scales. After measuring the drawings, they put those quantities in manual sheet and prepared the estimations. Okay, so this is manual quantification. Okay, after 10-15 years, they have adapted to this AutoCAD plus Excel method. Okay, so we measure by using AutoCAD software. Okay, then we extract quantities. Then after that, we put those quantities in Excel sheet. Then we will be so then we prepare estimations and we do a lot of things. Okay, so after manual quantification era, we have come to this AutoCAD and Excel era. Okay, now this is digital era. Okay, now we have plenty of software to quantify and prepare estimations. Okay, so we have plenty of software. We have PlanShift, we have Bluebeam, we have Costex, we have KubeCost. Okay, so this is digital era. In order to survive in this digital era, you have to learn this software and you have to market yourself in the construction industry. First, we will talk about this Bluebeam Preview software. Okay, so this Bluebeam Preview software is very popular software all over the world. Okay, so if you believe or not, this Bluebeam Preview software take 2.5% of software market share in construction software market. And this is ITW Costex. Costex is very popular in the world, and I think this is the most popular quantity serving software all over the world. And a lot of companies using this ITW Costex software as their estimation solution. And the PlanShift software, more than 16,000 companies using this PlanShift software for their quantification. Okay, so this is very popular in Middle East region and Australia, New Zealand, and some companies in UK also use this PlanShift software. So this is very popular software and this is very basic software. And what are the benefits of PlanShift software? Okay, so this is user-friendly software. You can measure quantities accurately. Okay, so you can generate estimation files. You can link these PlanShift software with Excel software, and then you can quantify the building. Then you can use a lot of templates, and you can have template customization, and you can work with any type of drawing, and you have auto calculation option. Okay, you can take off quantities automatically. Then you can mark up the drawings. Okay, so then you can collaboratively use this software with Excel software. What are the benefits of Bluebeam review software? Okay, so Bluebeam review software is a little bit different than Costech. So this is a construction management software. So you can use this Bluebeam review software for various purposes. Okay, so you can measure, you can edit PDFs. Okay, you can do many things by using this Bluebeam review software. So as you can see in the screen, can be used for PDF editing. You can use this for drawing management. You can use this for markup, and you can compare a couple of drawings and quantify additions and omissions. Okay, and you can take off manual quantities, and you can link this software with Excel software, and you can use this, and you can deal with large number of drawings very easily with this Bluebeam review software. And the Costech software. So this is the most trending quantity surveying software in the world. And now, guys, now think carefully. Okay, now look at the situation in Sri Lanka. Okay, so our construction industry has collapsed. Okay, there are very low number of mega scale projects going on in Sri Lanka. Okay, so lot of foreign companies implemented their subsidiary companies in Sri Lanka and hire a lot of quantity surveyors from Sri Lanka. Okay, companies like Moonstone, Sunstone, XCOM, then Soban, Minot Browns. Okay, so those companies are very large companies. Okay, plenty of quantity surveyors work in these companies. Okay, so I think couple of weeks back, I think 5 or 6 students of mine got jobs in Minot Browns. Okay, so it was great achievement for them. Okay, so work hard. Okay, so there are plenty of opportunities for Costex capable quantity surveyors in Sri Lankan construction industry. And if you go to Middle East region, there are plenty of opportunities. Okay, last week one of my students uh, got her job in Maze, and 3 of my students got jobs in Alec. Okay, so there are plenty of job opportunities. Okay, companies like KEO using this software, companies like WT Partnership using this Costex software. So if you learn this cost software, there will be plenty of opportunities. Okay, not only in Sri Lanka, but also in Middle East region. Okay, and if you're willing to go Australia, New Zealand, Canada, you must learn this Costex software. Okay, so please work hard. Okay, and I will teach you everything with regards to this Costex software. Costech is the most frequently used quantity surveying software in the world, and this is a BIM capable software, and you can use this auto calculation function, and you can use effective drawing management functions, and you can this is a very effective cost management software, and you can do auto revisioning. You can compare a couple of drawings, and you can calculate additions and omissions, and you can prepare revision BOQ by using this software. Then you can link the quantities with the workbook. Okay, so there are plenty of functions available in this Cossack software. So you will learn all those software within this class. Okay, now we will discuss about these software one by one. I will start with PlanShift software. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
This Bas is speaking from Saudi Arabia. You're gonna provide the recording, yeah?
Yeah, I will upload the recording I will upload the recording in YouTube and I will share among the students. Okay.
Okay.
Then there is nothing to worry about. Okay.
All right.
Because our limit, we reached our limit now. I think some students could not join for this meeting. No worries. I will upload the recording in YouTube. You can watch the recording. Okay. Okay. Normally I get only 100 students per batch. Okay. Now I will share my screen and I will start with plan shift. Okay. Okay. Desktop. Important. Introduction. Okay. Now, guys, please observe. Okay. I hope you all can see my screen. Plan shift. Okay. So in this session, I will introduce you this plan shift software. Then I will introduce you the interface of the plan shift software, then the basic settings. Then I will explain you about the manual quantification, auto quantification, change management with plan shift software, then report preparation and benefits. Okay. So history of plan shift software. Okay. So this plan shift software have uh, long history. Okay, more than 15 years. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, more than 16,000 global users using this plan shift software as their cost management solution. Okay, so the importance of plan shift software. If you go Middle East region or Australia, New Zealand, UK, you have to use this plan shift software. Okay, so this is very basic software, and the cost of this plan shift software is comparatively less. So lot of companies purchase this plan shift software and use this plan shift software as their cost management solution. Then the learning method of this plan shift software. So I will use interactive training method to teach you this plan shift software. I will do every function, then I will allow you to do every function. Then after you finish, I will ask you to put a done message. Okay, after you putting the done message, I will do other function. Okay, so yes, now this is the interface of plan shift software, and this is the top bar. As you can see, you have uh, you can see a lot of tabs available in this top bar: plan shift, home, page, tools, view, estimating, list, templates, settings, reports, help, plugin. Okay, I will explain them all in our first interactive training session. Then the basic settings, you can import new drawing by using these basic settings, and you can open a completed project by using this basic setting area. And this is the navigation area. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can move your drawing by using navigation area. Then the measurements, you can do manual measurements by uh, using this measurement area, and you can scale your drawing as well. And these are the uh, measurement tools available in this plan shift software. You can measure area directly, you can get linear measurements, and you can measure segments, and you can count. Okay, you can do plenty of things by using this plan shift software. And this is drawing markup area. Okay, you can mark up your drawing, and this is very important for variation preparation. So I will teach them all. And this is a page setting. Okay, so in this area you can see all the quantities. Okay, then this is template management area. I will teach you how to create templates. It will be a very good experience for you all. And this is the working area. Okay, so you can measure your quantities in this working area. So yes, now this is the template. This is the interface of the PlanSwift software. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. And this is how you can import a drawing to this PlanSwift software. It is very simple. Once you install the PlanSwift software, I will teach you how to import a drawing. Then this is how you can scale your drawing. And you can do manual quantifications by using this PlanSwift software. First, you can count, then you can take lens by using this PlanSwift software. Then after that, you can uh, measure areas. Okay, so these are some basic functions. Okay, so PlanSwift software is much more advanced than this. Okay, so I feel like this PlanSwift software is like a coding software. Okay, so you can create your own measurement and you can take off quantities. Okay. Uh, this is auto quantification. You can use click method to do this auto quantification. I will teach you this also. And then this is auto identification method. You can identify elements in your drawing and you can measure them automatically. And the change management part, this is very crucial. You can compare a couple of drawings, then you can identify additions and omissions separately, then you can measure them and you can prepare variation BOQ by using those quantities. So this is the report preparation. You can prepare various reports by using the PlanSwift software. Teach them all. So these are the benefit, the easiness of learning. So you can easily learn this PlanSwift software and increase the employability. If you can use this PlanSwift software, you can get a lot of job opportunities, then freelance opportunities. So if you have Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance accounts, you can do a lot of freelancing jobs by using this expensive software. Compatibility with Excel software. With the compatibility with the Excel software, you can prepare estimations very easily. Then the business opportunities. Okay, so if you are an employee, okay, please think about business opportunities. Okay, so uh, don't work forever. Okay, so please learn from your company and start your own business. Okay, so uh, there are plenty of opportunities available in the world. Okay, please learn from your company and convert your knowledge into business. Okay, then only you can achieve your dreams. Okay, uh, now uh, I will open my PlanSwift software and I will explain things to you all. If you have any question, please feel free to ask.
Sir, can we have these softwares?
Yes, you can have these softwares. I will give you after.
Sure.
Yeah, after starting your course, I will give you the software. Okay, just give me a moment. I will open my PlanSwift software. Okay, just give me a moment. Right. Please give me a moment. Okay, extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, now you can see this is the Plansif software. Okay, so this is the Plansif software interface, and I hope you all can see. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, as you all can see, okay, this is a basic drawing. Okay, you can make in this drawing. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, so you have measurement tools. Okay, so you have area, you can measure linear quantities, and you can measure segments, and you can count by using this Plansif software. Most of the time, students and construction professionals thinks this Plansif software is a very basic software. Okay, and they think uh, they can only measure area, line, and count. Okay, but this Plansif software is a much more advanced software than you think. Okay, so first I will show you how to measure these basic elements. Okay, if you click on this area, okay, so this is very simple. Okay, I want to measure this workspace. Okay, I will type workspace, then I will click OK. Then you can see workspace here. Okay, then you can easily measure the quantity by using this Plansif software. Okay, like this, you can measure the quantity of this workplace. Okay, see, this is very simple. Okay, like this, you can measure the quantity. Then, okay, then you can see your markup here. Okay, so this is your working space. Okay, so like that, you can count elements. Okay, so you can measure lengths by using this Plansif software. But this Plansif software is much more advanced than this. Okay, I will show you why. I will show you one example. Okay, I think you have idea about MEP measurements. Okay, when we measure ducts, okay, so we have to measure the area of duct. Okay, I will explain the scenario. Then I will uh, teach you how to measure that particular duct by using this Plansif software. Okay, so please observe. Uh, I will open my Excel software. Okay, please give me a moment. This will be a very good experience for you. Okay, so this Plansif software is much more advanced software than you think. Okay, I will go to Plansif training, QA software all in one, then QA software all in one study material, Plansif training. Then I will get MEP drawings and duct measurement. I will copy that drawing, then I will paste it in my desktop. Okay, then I can easily open that drawing. Okay, uh, okay, now I will, okay, now you can see my screen, right? Okay, now observe. I will go to new and I will start new project. Okay, I will put uh, 7/11/2023 description duct measurement. Okay, then I will click next. Then I will select my drawing. Okay, I will go to my desktop. Okay, Then I have duct measurement drawing here. I will click next and finish. Okay. Boom. Okay, so this is your duct measurement drawing. Okay, so this is a rectangular duct. You can see the width of the duct is 1350 and height of the duct is 400. Okay, so you have to measure this duct. Okay, now observe very carefully. Okay, I will open my Excel software and I will demonstrate you what we are going to do. Okay, so I will draw a sectional view of this duct. Okay, I will use this color. Okay, this is a duct, right? Okay, and okay, this is the sectional view of that particular duct. Okay, and I will finish this by using these shapes. Okay, I will use this line. Okay, this is our duct. Okay, this is interesting, right? Yes. Okay, I will increase the size of this one. Okay, shape outline. I'll increase the weight. And I'll increase the weight of this as well. Copy. Next. Okay. Okay. So this is our rectangular duct. Okay. And you know this is height of our duct. Yeah, GHD. This is height of our duct. Okay. And this is the width of our duct. Okay. This is the width of our duct. And this is the length of our duct. Length of our duct. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate the area of this duct, okay, you have to generate a formula. Okay, what is the formula? Okay, you can easily generate a formula. You can get this width. Okay, then plus height. Then you have to multiply this by 2. Then you have to multiply it from the length. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, so this is our formula. Width plus height multiply into 2. Then we have to multiply the whole thing from this length. Okay. Now, if you go to your PlanShift software, okay, you only have area, linear, and count. Okay, how can you measure these duct in one shot? Okay, so that is our task. Okay, in order to do that, we have option called template. Okay, so in this template, you can design your own measurement. Okay, that is the beauty of this Costech software. Okay, I will go to templates. Then I will click on new tab and I will rename this as IQSSL College. Then I will click OK. Then I will go to new linear and I will rename this as duct. Okay, then I will click OK. Then I will double click on this. Then I will go to advanced. Okay, so this is the coding area. You can design your own measurement. Okay, this is the beauty of this PlanShift software. Okay, now what we need. Okay, we already have the length. Okay, so by using this function, you can measure the length. Okay, if I go here, by using the length function, you can measure this length. Okay, we already have this length. Okay, we have to add this height and width. Okay, that is our objective. Okay, I will go to this add property and I will add height, height. Okay, then when you go to this property area, you have to take care of two things. Okay, first you have to put the name, then you have to select the group as estimating. Name, group, name, group. Okay, you have to put these things into your blood. Okay, I will teach you one by one. Okay, now this is height. Then I will add width. Very simple. Width. 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 Okay, you have estimating. You have to check this. Okay, now I added this width. Okay, now I will add another property. Sectional length. Okay, very simple. Sectional length. Okay, what is the sectional length? Sectional length. This length. Okay, 2 into height plus width. Okay, very simple. Okay, now I will put this up. Okay, then I will create the formula. Section length is 2 into height plus width. Okay, very simple. Okay, so this is very simple formula. Okay, then we have to put units. Okay, here this is meter, this is meter, and this is meter. Okay, and when we measure, we have to enter width and height. Therefore, I will add them to the template. This is very simple. We can get the quantity by multiplying takeoff with the sectional length. Okay, this takeoff. Okay, you have to identify the person hiding under this bracket. Okay, this takeoff means the length. Okay, length into sectional length, you can get the area. Length into sectional length, you can get the area. Okay, you have to understand these things clearly. Okay, then the unit of this is square meters. Okay, okay, now okay, then you have to go to form layout. Okay, then I will put units to this height and width. Okay, then this is our measurement area. Okay, so we can design our own measurement. This is the beauty of PlanShift. Okay, I will teach you everything with regards to this PlanShift software, and I will make you an expert in this PlanShift. Okay, so we have to create a Sri Lankan brand. Okay, my students are creating that brand in the Middle East region. Okay, so you have to work hard and you have to work with me. Okay, so if you are a veteran quantity surveyor, don't think about jobs, think about business opportunities. We need more companies. Okay, last week I met the director of XCOM, Mr. Utpala sorry, I think he's the CEO of XCOM, Mr. Utpala Jayavira, and Mr. Duminda Disanayaka. So I felt huge proud in my heart. Okay, so they are Sri Lankan quantity surveyors. Okay, so they have brought our name, Sri Lankan brand, into this Middle East region. Okay, you are young, if you are a young quantity surveyor, please think. Okay, after 10-15 years, okay, you you can create your own brand and start your own company, and you can put Sri Lanka name uh, in various places. Okay, now we have come to this level. Then we can click OK. Okay, Now I will go to home. I can measure this. Okay, I will click here. Then I will go to IQSS College. This is my duct measurement. Before that, I have to scale this drawing. Okay, how to scale? You can click on scale. Okay, then you can go to your non-measurement. Okay, so this is non-measurement. Okay, I will put 6 meters and I'll click OK. Okay, then I'll measure this. Okay, okay, then you have to scale horizontally as well. Scale, and what is my non-measurement? 6.2 this time. 6.2. Okay, now you can measure your duct. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now you have created your own template. Double click on your template. Okay, so this is your duct. Then you have to put the duct name 1350. Yes.
What did you, sir? You made a scale for there?
Yeah, I clicked on scale, then I scaled
Okay.
the drawing. Okay, then I double clicked on this measurement. Okay, then this is the name, and I will put multiplication sign. Okay, then 400, 1350, 400. Then I will put height. What is my height? 0.4. And what is the width? 1.350. Okay, then you can click OK. Then you can measure your quantity. I'll put again 1350 into 400, height 0.4, width 1.350. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll start from here. Okay. Okay, then I'll double click here and I'll right click, stop, right click, show legend. This is your quantity. Okay, amazing, isn't it? Okay, so like this, you can generate various templates and measure your building elements by using this amazing software. Okay, now observe very carefully. I will explain our process. Okay, I have lecture notes. Okay, observe this lecture note. Okay, so this is a comprehensive lecture note. Okay, this is our introduction slide and note number 2. Okay, these are the lecture notes. Okay, after finishing lecture, you can revise your memory very easily by using this lecture note. Okay, under substructure, we will discuss about removing trees, site clearance, site preparation, excavation, earthwork support, excavated slurper, retaining excavated material, backfilling, leveling, surface treatment. Okay, all the functions explained in these charts. Okay, you can see site clearance. The area inside the site boundaries has to be considered. Use the area function and click the corners and measure the quantity. Okay, every function has explained in these charts. Okay, then the special features, how to connect your PlanShift software with Excel software. Okay, I have explained these things step by steps in these notes. Okay, copy and paste method. Okay, how to create a template. Okay, everything. Okay, so you will get this comprehensive notes. Then formula. Okay, for MEP I have used this formula. As you can see, this duct, I use this formula, length into 2 into height plus width. Okay, then pipe length, sorry, pipe riser, I use this template. Okay, count into top level minus bottom level. Okay, so these templates are very important. So this is like a short note. You can print this out and keep it with you. Okay, when you go abroad. Okay, this will come in handy. Okay, so you have to make Sri Lankan brand. Okay, and you have to prepare for practical exams. Okay, this is very important. That's why this interactive training is important. Okay, please attend every classes and do all the things with me. Okay, I will help you to improve your measurement speed. Okay, recently one of my student obtained a job in I think China Railway, Dubai. Okay, I think you know him, Mr. Pasan Hapuarati. He worked for CCMPL. Okay, I think CCMPL the employees are here. So I taught him this PlanShift software, and he did the complete project by using this PlanShift software. And he told me, and he told Miss Nishanti from Singh also. He did that project by using this PlanShift software. Then after he went to buy, they asked him to do a practical task. Okay, and he has been able to do that in a prolific manner, and he obtained the job. Okay, now he has a very good salary, and he can become success in his life. Okay, so this is very important, and this is very crucial, and this is very serious. Okay, this is very serious. Okay, you have to understand the situation of the country. Okay, and you have to work hard. Okay, and you have to take care of your parents. Okay, think about this. Now we have done our PlanShift introduction. Okay, this PlanShift software is much more than area, linear, and count. Okay, you can do many things by using PlanShift software. You have to study this PlanShift software to the depth, and you have to perform in the industry. Okay, now I will explain to you about Beam Review software. Beam Review. Okay, lot of quantity surveyors underestimate this Beam Review software. Okay, this is very efficient and effective software. Guys, think like this. Okay, so some students think, oh, no need to learn Bluebeam. Okay, Bluebeam is not important. We only need to learn this PlanShift software and Costex software. Okay, don't think like that. Okay, if the company using this Bluebeam View software, you have to use the Bluebeam View software. You can't request, okay, I know PlanShift and Costex only. Use PlanShift and Costex. You can't demand that. Okay, you have to use the existing softwares available in the company. Therefore, you have to learn this Bluebeam View software by heart. Okay, I will open Bluebeam and I will explain things to you. Okay, this will be a game changer for your career. Okay, please give me a moment. I will open a structural drawing. Mm, Okay, it's important. Mm, Okay, we'll open this drawing by using Bluebeam View software. Yes, moment. Okay, now I think you all can see my screen. So you can measure AutoCAD drawings and PDF drawings by using Plansys software. But this Bluebeam Review software is specifically for PDF drawings. Okay, I hope you all can see my screen. I'll go here, then I will open my drawing. Okay, I will go to File, then I will click on Open. Okay, then I will go to Introduction to Costex and I will open this structural drawing. Okay, now you can see this structural drawing. Okay, this is very simple drawing. You can see this structural drawing in this area. Okay, now I will show you few things. Okay, so you can see this is my plan drawing. Okay, and this is my sectional drawing. Okay, I want to measure this plan drawing by watching this sectional drawing. Okay, what can I do? Okay, so this is very interesting software. I can split my screen into two. Okay, so this is my plan drawing and this is my sectional drawing. Okay, I can watch my section and measure my plan drawing. Okay, so this is very good function. Okay, see. Okay, and I will come back to this level. Okay, then if you want to have this sectional drawing in this plan sheet drawing, okay, you can do a small trick. Okay, I will go here. Okay, this is my sectional drawing. I want to have this sectional drawing in my plan drawing. Okay, I will go here and take a small snapshot like this. And I will go back to my plan drawing and I will press Ctrl V. Okay, boom. You have your sectional drawing in this plan drawing. Okay, amazing, isn't it? Okay, then you can observe your section and you can measure your plan. Okay, okay. Then I will show you another function. Okay, uh, let's say you want to get rid of these uh, plan views. Okay, so it bothers you. Okay, you can click on this cut content. Okay, then you can easily cut these two from this drawing. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so this is amazing software. Okay, and I will show another function. Okay, if you want to cloud this particular column, sorry, particular pad foundation. Okay, if you want to amend this, okay, you can just uh, press C, then you can cloud this. Okay, very efficient and effective. If you want to put arrow, you can type A and put arrow like this. If you want to add the text, okay, I will put this arrow other way around. Okay, here to here. Okay, if you want to add the text, you can press T and add this text. Okay, change this. Okay, so this is amazing software. Okay, you can use this software for drawing management. Okay, and if you want to put seals, you can put seals. Okay, you can do many things. Okay, I will go here and I will click on stamp. Okay, so you can put seals like this, approval seals. Okay, you can edit anything by using this Bluebeam Review software. Okay, so if you don't have a degree certificate, don't worry. If you can get the degree certificate from LinkedIn, you can edit by using this Bluebeam Review software. Okay, don't do things like that. Okay, so as quantity surveyors, we have to be ethical. Okay, you can do many things by using this Bluebeam Review software, but don't use this Bluebeam software for fraudulent activities. Okay, so yeah, respectable quantity surveys. We are respectable professions. Okay, you have to maintain that character. Okay, we have to create a brand. Actually, Middle East quantity surveyors already created Sri Lankan brand in Middle East region. If you go, I have trained. I think I have trained almost all the chartered quantity surveyors in Oman. I have trained Mr. Pradeep, Kalum, Rangajivaya, and Mr. Vilan, Mr. Asanka, Mr. Disanayaka, Lakmal Disanayaka. I think I have trained to almost all the chartered quantity surveyors in Oman, RICA chartered quantity surveyors in Oman, and I have trained plenty of chartered quantity surveyors in Sri Lanka and Middle East as well. Okay, so they have maintained their character. Okay, as Sri Lankan quantity surveyor, we have a brand. We have to maintain that. Okay, now we have come to this level. Okay, now we have to learn the measurement part. Okay, so if I want to measure this particular pad footing, okay, so we can see this is D1, this is D2. Okay, I want to have this chart in this plan drawing. Okay, I don't want this one now. I will minimize this. Okay, if you want, you can minimize this like this. Okay, now I want a chart. Okay, this is my chart. I will go here and I will take a snapshot like this. Very easy. Okay, this is the drawing management software. Okay, Control V, you can have the chart. Okay, then I will zoom into the chart. Okay, now you can see this is F5. Okay, you can see size, and this is height 9. D1 and D2 are same. D1 and D2 are same. 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches in the sense. 25 into 9, right? Then 225, no? Then we can measure this pad footing very easily. Okay, I will go to this quantity area. Okay, I will click here. Then I want to measure volume, and I will click on volume. Then I want to put a label, and this is F5 depth 0.225 meters. Then length, I want it in meters. Then volume in cubic meters. Before that, we have to scale this drawing. Okay, it is very simple to scale. So I will click on calibrate. Then I will click OK. Then I will get a non-length. Yeah, I will get this non-length. This is 4 feet, no? 4 feet in the sense 1200 millimeters, 1.2 meters. Then I will click on apply scale. Okay, now this drawing is scaled properly. Okay, then I will measure. Okay, label F5. It's very easy. Okay, then depth 0.225. Then I need length in meters, and I need volume in cubic meters. Okay, very easy to measure. Okay, you just need to measure like this. Okay, then you can get the quantity. Okay, so this is very user-friendly software. You can measure structural element, architectural element, MEP element by using this Bluebeam tree software. After that, you can take off all the quantities. I will show you. Okay. I'll show you this quantity. Okay, as you can see, we can get the quantity down here. Okay, 0.18 cubic meters. Okay, so I will teach you how to link these quantities with the Excel sheet and how to export these quantities to Excel. Okay, these things are very important in order to prepare the POQs. So please learn this software by heart. Don't underestimate this common man. This is Bluebeam View software. This software commonly used all over the world. Or if you go to Australia and New Zealand, this is very popular. Okay, today one student messaged me and told me Bluebeam is not important. Okay, believe me or not, uh, I will tell her name. One of my student recently she obtained a job in Australia, and they ask specifically about auto identification function of this Bluebeam View software. Okay, based on that, she got the job. Okay, in Australia. So please think hard. Okay, learn everything. These things are very, very important to you. Okay, so this is $1 million course. Okay, you can become success after learning all these things. Okay. Now, Bluebeam is enough. Now, we will move to the most interesting software, CostX. Okay, I will share my screen in a while. Please give me a moment. I will open my CostX software. This CostX training is very important. Okay, I will give you a next level training. Okay, before you learn CostX, okay, you have to think. Okay, before you learn CostX, you have to think. Okay, uh, I will tell you a couple of points. Okay, there are plenty of quantity surveying software available in the world now. Okay, we have Bluebeam, we have Plansif, we have QBcost, we have Cato, we have Candy, we have plenty of measurement software and estimation software available in the world. Why companies invest $5,000 for this CostX software? Okay, if anyone know the answer, please put a message in the chat box why they invest 5,000 USD for this CostX. This is just a measurement software, no? Why they invest? Anyone? Just put the answer in the chat box. Guys, come on. Why they invest? Don't be afraid. Okay. I will not tell your name. Okay, please put a message, anyone? Yes, I have a couple of messages. Time efficiency. Time efficiency. Correct answer. Yasodhara. Oh, I told his name. Uh, time efficiency. Okay, so there are plenty of measurement software. Okay, so you can have many things by using Plansware software and Bluebeam software and Cato Candy, but you can't enhance time efficiency through those software. Time efficiency is the most important thing. Therefore, you have to participate for the interactive training sessions. I will create a different atmosphere in that class. Okay, I will make you to compete with each other and improve the time efficiency. Okay, if you can't measure quickly by using CostX software, no point of learning CostX software. Okay, anyone can learn the functions of this CostX software. Okay, so if you have correct mind, if you go through the lecture notes and if you watch the recordings and if you participate and listen to my lectures, you can learn the CostX software. Okay, you can learn all the functions and do all the functions like a robot, but you have to enhance the time efficiency. Okay, in the CostX class, I will create a different environment. Okay, I will make you compete with each other and then you can enhance the time efficiency. Why? What is the meaning of I2? It is the company brand. I think I2W. I don't know the hidden meaning of that I2. Okay. Uh, okay. Time saving, most accurate because of the accuracy. Yes, they are correct. BIM enabled software. All are correct, but most importantly, you have to uh, have time efficiency. Okay. Okay. Now I will teach you the basic functions of this Costex software. This is very important. Okay. Listening to this part is crucial. It is very important for your life. If you are a veteran quantity surveyor, think about the business opportunities you can get in the future. If you are a young quantity surveyor, please think about the job opportunities you can get. If you are uh, a mid-age quantity surveyor, okay, think how can you develop yourself by using this knowledge. Okay. uh, I will tell you a quote told by Jack Ma. Okay. So I saw that video in YouTube or somewhere else. Okay. He's telling, if you are at age of 20 to 30, okay, you have to get experiences from your job. Okay. You have to work for a company and you have to learn everything while you're doing the job. Okay. Then 30 to 40, you have to develop your own thing. Okay. Now you have the knowledge. Now you can start to build your own thing. Okay. You can fail. You can do it again and again. Okay. Then you slowly you can develop your own thing. Okay. Then 40 to 50, you can create a business empire. Okay, then you can have the freedom of your life. Okay, then 50 to 60, you have to give your knowledge back to the young generation, and 60 to 70, you have to spend time with your grandchildren. Okay, so that is the advice from Jack Ma. Therefore, learn this by heart. Okay, these basic functions are very important. Okay, now I will show you what we are going to learn in this Costex training. Okay, I will delete these projects. Okay, I will delete one by one. Then I will open one by one. Okay, you have to work hard with me. Okay, no time to experiments. Okay, you have to work hard. Then only you can become success. Okay, okay. Now please observe. Fraction Costex bias. Okay. First, we will learn about architect. First, we will learn about substructure measurements. Okay. I will go to the substructure and I will open it. Select. Okay. Under substructure, we will learn many things. Okay. This is what we are going to learn under substructure. Under substructure, we will learn site clearance, site preparation, pile cap excavation. Okay, see, pile cap excavation, excavation for trenches, earthwork support. Okay, so we will learn everything. Okay, so this is not a regular training. Okay, this is like an industrial training. Okay, I I will not only teach you the functions. Okay, I will make you to do the whole thing within the class. Okay, you have to measure earthwork support for this building. excavation for trenches in this building, pile cap excavation, site clearance, site preparation, all. Okay, within the class. Okay, you have to do all the things within the class. Okay, that is the most important part of this course. Okay, and surface treatment as well. Then finally, you have to prepare the BOQ as well. Okay, not only the measurement, you have to prepare the BOQ part. You have to enter these quantities in the BOQ. This is very important. Okay, therefore, please be prepared to work hard. Okay, and you have to measure these quantities in a speedy manner. Okay, I will create a different environment. Through that environment, you can enhance the time efficiency. Okay, now I will open another project. I will import, close this one. Then I will import our superstructure building. Okay, this is substructure. I'll delete this one. Then I will open superstructure. Okay. Okay, then you can get a please observe, you can get a very good understanding about what you are going to learn. Okay. Superstructure. Okay. These are the drawings you have to measure. Superstructure. Okay. See? This is the drawing. You have to measure everything. Beam concrete. See? Beam concrete. Slab formwork. Concrete wall. Okay. Then column concrete. Column concrete. Column formwork. Everything. Okay. So you have to work hard and measure all these things. Okay. So uh, this knowledge will be valiant for you. Okay. So under superstructure, you have to measure beam, column, slab, wall, everything. Okay. So this is superstructure training. Okay. After that, you have to prepare the BOQ as well. So you can import AutoCAD drawings, you can import PDF drawings, even you can import JPG drawings to this Costech software. Okay, so this is superstructure. Okay, this is relatively easy comparing to the substructure part. Then you have to learn the architectural measurement. Okay, so most of the students and employees, okay, think this architectural measurements are easy. Okay, but these are very difficult when it comes to the practical situations. Okay, but I will teach you all the easy methods. Okay, I will teach you all the easy methods. Then you can show your talents when you when you get the opportunity. Okay, so please observe. I will explain one by one. Okay, first we will measure architectural walls. Okay, see all the walls. Okay, you have to measure all the things within the class. First, you have to measure the external wall. Then you have to measure the internal walls. Okay, these are the external, these are the internal walls. Okay, then you have to measure ceiling finishes. Okay, then you have to measure wall finishes. Okay, everything. After that, you have to measure floor finishes. Sometimes you will think floor finishes are easy. Okay, but if you won't follow a certain method, okay, you can't measure these floor finishes within a very little period of time. Okay, so floor finishes are also very important. Then you have to measure skirting and waterproofing as well. Okay, you have to measure everything within the class. After that, you have to prepare the BOQ. Okay, so this architectural measurement part is very crucial. If you are a young quantity surveyor, please think about this. Okay, now after Expo 2020, okay, uh, there are uh, major there are no major projects in there are very few major projects in UAE. Okay, there will be lot of opportunities for fit out quantity surveyors. Okay, so in as fit out quantity surveyors, you have to measure these architectural entities. You have to measure walls, you have to measure ceilings, you have to measure uh, lighting cores. Okay, lot of features. Okay, with this knowledge, you can uh, measure those kind of things and you can become a star in your company. Okay, so please work hard. Okay, then you can become a very talented quantity surveyor. So if you are a young quantity surveyor, please think about it. Okay, now I will delete this one and I will open another one. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, MEP measurements. Okay, I will teach you how to measure all the MEP elements. Okay, you can see New Zealand classes. I have trained a lot of country surveyors in New Zealand. I have done separate batch for New Zealand. So if you are a country surveyor in Oman, you know Mr. Rajendra Basnayaka. He's a chartered country surveyor, and he was in my New Zealand batch. Okay, he's a very humble person and very talented person as well. Okay, you will learn electrical elements. Okay, you will learn how to measure cable trays. You will learn how to measure these lamps. Okay, I will teach you very quickly about measure how to measure these lamps. Okay, so this is very interesting method. I will press Ctrl A and I will delete these quantities. Okay, please observe this quantity lamp. Okay, now it is 38. I'll delete this. Right click and I will delete selected dimensions. Yes. Okay, now it has become 0. Okay, now I'm going to measure this again. Okay, this is very simple. You have to go to dimensions and click on line. Okay, put your mouse on top of this. Okay, press shift, then control, then click. Okay, 38. Okay, like this you can measure your lamps very quickly. Okay, amazing, isn't it? Okay, so I will teach you these functions. Okay, this is electrical. I will teach you how to measure cable measurements. This is cable tray, then cable length, then lamps, sockets, everything. Okay, then the HVAC. I will teach you how to measure ducts, air grills, reducers, and everything. So this is my HVAC drawing. Okay, see, you can measure very easily. Okay, so this is duct. These are ducts. Okay. Then under pipe, under plumbing, I will teach you how to measure complete plumbing drawing. You can see these are the pipe lengths. Then you can see these are the risers. I will show you the 3D view of this. Okay, very important you to learn how to measure these MEP drawings as well. Okay, then I'll delete this. Most of the times lecturers are skipping this part. Okay, reinforcement part. Okay, lot of trainers don't teach you this reinforcement part, okay, but I will teach you this. This is very important. So let's say uh, there are if there are 1,000 Costex capable quantity surveys in a pool, okay, you can only find 100 quantity surveys who are capable with this reinforcement measurement. Okay, therefore you can become unique after learning this reinforcement part. Okay, I will teach you everything. Okay, nothing to worry about. This is being. Okay, if you are a quantity surveyor, you have to take care of three things. Okay, you have to be accurate, you have to maintain the time efficiency, and you have to present your reports and quantities in a prolific manner. Okay, you can see this is beam one. You can see main bars and sit-ups separately. Okay, and see the 3D view. Okay, like this, you can measure your beams. Okay, and you can get all the quantities. Then I will teach you how to measure columns. Then pile cap. See, pile cap and slab. Then I will teach you how to measure wall reinforcement as well. Okay, so don't worry about anything. I will teach you everything. Okay, then I will delete this project. Then I open BOQ preparation. Okay, this is very important. Okay, after teaching you all the dimensions, okay, I will teach you how to create a perfect BOQ by using this Costex software. Okay, actually I will open assignment. Okay, then you can have a very good understanding about this. Okay, I will go and I will import an assignment. I will go back to introduction to Costex. Okay, I will open this assignment. After completing this Costex part, you have to do this comprehensive assignment. Okay, and you have to submit it to me. Okay, I will evaluate this assignment and I will create a QR code and print this QR code in your certificate. Then the recruiters can scan your QR code and see your assignment evaluation and get a very good understanding about your work. Okay, in the assignment, you have to measure architectural, see, architectural, MEP substructure and superstructure. After that, you have to create this comprehensive BOQ. Okay, I will show you final outcome of this. Okay, so this is Harshika's BOQ. Okay, I will go to edit and check this. Okay, grouping. Okay, page layout, header, columns. Okay, I can preview this. This is the perfect BOQ you can get from this Costex. Okay, see, and you have to create this BOQ at the end. Okay, so you have to work hard, and I will show you another assignment submission from a veteran quantity survey. So you can search his name in the link. Mr. Janak Singha. He is a student from my first batch. He has 20 years of experience in Dubai. Okay, so he's a very good student of mine, and I will show you his assignment. Janaka's assignment. Desktop. Costex. Introduction to Costex. Mr. Janaka's assignment. Okay. So I'm showing his assignment to all my students. Okay. He's a very good example for you. Okay. After completing your assignment, this is the assignment evaluation sheet, and this is Mr. Janaka's assignment. See, he has done a fabulous job. Okay, he has measured everything. Okay, so this is my first course. Okay, and this assignment is a little bit harder than my new assignment. Okay, uh, in this assignment you have to measure everything: structural, architecture, element, and even you have to measure lighting course also. Okay, but Mr. Janaka did amazingly well. Okay, and these are the legends, and these are all the measurement sheets. Okay, when you submit your assignment, you have to use your presentation skills. You have to present your assignment in a prolific manner. Then only the recruiters can scan that code and get a very good impression of you. Okay, so this is very important. At the end of this assignment, Mr. Janaka has mentioned all the assumptions as well. Okay, this is the final outcome. Now we have come to the final part of this session. Okay, so this is if you are a young quantity surveyor, or if you are a veteran quantity surveyor, this is very important to you. Okay, why learning digitalization important for quantity surveyor? Okay, be prepared for future challenges. Okay, now we are in digital era. Okay, and if 20, 30 years back we use manual quantification, and we quantified drawings manually and tabulate quantities and prepared our BOQ using manual way. Okay, now this is digital era. Okay, you have to prepared for the future challenges. Okay, now AI is a trending technology, and companies use various type of technologies, so you have to prepare for that. Okay, if you don't learn, okay, if you have not uh, enough courage to learn these digital technologies, okay, uh, it will be hard to survive. And go abroad for the profession. Okay, now we all know the situation of the country. Okay, and we have to be prepared. Okay, so we survived from hyperinflation. Okay, and still we haven't started to pay our debts. Okay, once we started to pay our debts, okay, we will be in a huge struggle. Okay, if you want to survive in this financial crisis, you have to earn money. Okay, if you want to go abroad and find a prestigious job, you have to be technology, you have to be competent with these new technologies. Okay, therefore, you have to learn, you must learn, you have to allocate time to learn those softwares. And APC interviews. Okay, I had a student, Mr. Chulendra Aruna. So he's a chartered quantity surveyor. He has got his chartership from AIQS, RICS, and IQSSL as well. Okay, when he facing for these APC interviews, in order to get his IQSSL chartership, the interview panel asked uh, so many questions about building information modeling and technologies. Okay, if you want to pass APC interviews, if we want to become chartered quantity surveyors, you have to be competent with these uh, skills with the technology, and start new businesses. Okay, this is very, very important. If you are a young quantity surveyor, please always think about business opportunities. Okay, uh, wake up early in the morning and spend half an hour to think about your future. Okay, please take a paper and list all the goals you want to achieve in the future. Okay, please spend at least 10 minutes for think about future opportunities. Okay, so uh, please be determined to start a new business. Okay, then only you can have the freedom of your life. Okay, so you guys are quantity surveyors who working for various entities, and in my last class I had a couple of business owners too. They have their own consultancy firms. Okay, if you want to develop your consultancy firm, your own consultancy firm, you have to learn these softwares and you have to uh, teach these softwares to your subordinates. Okay, so uh, if you're willing to start a new business, okay, so you have to learn new technologies. Then go abroad for higher education. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I have trained a bunch of quantity surveyors from New Zealand, Mr. Rajendra Basnayaka, Mr. Brookmal, and Nishani, and there are plenty of quantity surveyors joined for that batch. So they are doing their MSc in New Zealand. Okay, so they have separate module for digital quantification. In order to pass that module, they have to be competent with Costex software. Therefore, they hired me, and I have done a separate lecture series for them. Okay, and they passed, and they sent their assignment marks to me as well. Okay, so if you want to go for higher education in abroad, you have to learn in software. Especially if you're willing to go Australia and New Zealand, you must learn Costex. Okay. Uh, then future of quantity surveyors. Okay. Now this is this will be very important to you. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is the metaverse. Okay. Now Facebook company has introduced this metaverse. Okay, now this is a new world. Okay, instead of Facebook, you will experience this metaverse concept in the future. Okay, then you have to be prepared for this. So can you see this is the line project? Okay, Saudi has started the pre-contract activities of this line project. Okay, there are plenty of opportunities for quantity surveyors. Okay, plenty of my quantity surveyors went Saudi and got jobs. Okay, and they have a high salary. Even a junior quantity surveyor can get uh, 14 lakhs in Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, and please try for this project. Now they have started pre-contract activities. In order to do those pre-contract activities, you have to be competent with PlanSwift, Bluebeam, and Costex. Okay, so therefore, learning these digital softwares are very important in order to get a job in this line project. And this is the ring project. This project will um, be implemented soon. Okay, so there will be a lot of opportunities for quantity surveys in this ring project as well. And this is Brisbane Olympics. Okay, so they have started the construction of for this Olympic. There are plenty of construction job opportunities in Australia. So last class I had, I think, 3 or 4 students, and I think Mr. Hemant also joining from Australia. Okay, there are plenty of job opportunities in Australia for quantity surveys. If you go for MSc, please complete your MSc, then apply for quantity surveying jobs in Australia. There are plenty. Okay, and Ishara Kalugal, so she is one of my student from the previous batch, and she have shared some links to me. Okay, then I will share those links to you with you all. Okay, and there are some strategies. Okay, so if you want to obtain a job in Australia, you have to follow some short courses in Australia. Okay, Australian universities provide some construction short courses, online short courses. If you follow those courses and obtain certificates, it will be valiant you to get a job in Australia. Okay, I will teach you those tricks. Okay, in the class. Okay, every day I will spend 15 minutes for your professional development. Okay, first I will teach you how to create your LinkedIn profile clearly. Then I will teach you how to prepare a proper CV. Okay, then I will teach you about Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and opportunities. And then I will teach you a little bit of building information modeling for your professional development. Okay, so this lecture series will change your life. Okay, will change your thinking pattern. And this is our Port City project. I have high hope for this Port City project. So if they start the construction of this Port City project, I will definitely come back to Sri Lanka and work in this project and give my whole support. So we all have to do that. Okay, so we have to support our country. Okay, please go abroad. Okay, go Middle East region, earn money, come back to Sri Lanka and support our people. Okay, that's what we have to do for our country. So this is a very good picture. Okay, so this is mindfulness. So I am a big fan of mindfulness. I personally think if you are a content survey, you have to practice mindfulness. Most people think if you want to practice mindfulness, you have to sit and you have to focus on your breath. Okay, so it is not true. Even you walking, even you sleeping, even you writing, even you hitting to somebody, you can practice mindfulness. You have to just uh, focus on your activity. Okay, so that's all. So please, if you have time, please learn mindfulness and please do meditation. It will calm you. And we are people who work with lot of data. Okay, so practicing mindfulness will be valiant for us. Okay, please think about it. And we have to think out of the box. Okay, so uh, don't I'm not a big fan of traditional thinking. Okay, you have to overcome professional boundaries. You have to think beyond that. If you are a quantity surveyor, okay, don't stick to the quantity surveying activity. So, if you have time, please learn technologies like building information modeling. Please learn Revit. Please learn SketchUp. Okay, please learn Lumion. Okay, there will be lot of opportunities. If you learn coding, uh, you can do many things. Okay, so please think about those things as well. Then engage with the technology. So this is building management system. Okay, so this is a new technology, and this is robotic technology, and this is coding. I personally believe every quantity surveyor should learn coding. Okay, so you have plenty of resources. If you go to DP education, you can learn Python, C Sharp, and all other programming languages for free. Please learn them, and you can become a web developer, and you can earn extra money. Okay, please think about those opportunities, and you can learn plenty of softwares. You can learn Revit, SketchUp, then data, then you can learn Navisworks, Excel Manager, Syncropo. There are plenty of software available in the world. If you learn those software, you will have a lot of opportunities. Then this is amazing. Okay, this is one of my students work. Okay, I will mention his name. If you are a student from University of Moroto, you know Dulshan Costa. I think he is the best of University of Moroto. So this is his work. Okay, I motivate him to do this. Okay, he learned SketchUp and Lumion and developed this model. Okay, then I started a small project. Okay, wanted to train some Sri Lankan students from technical colleges, and I wanted to train them to model like this and earn money from Fiverr and Upwork. So this is my small project, and now Dujan has created the lecture schedules and all. Then I will start this project soon. I will only charge a very small amount, 10,000 maybe, and I will reinvest that money to those students. Okay, I will conduct a competition among them, and I will give those money to them. Okay, I will not earn profit from this course, and I will pay something for Doshan, and I will distribute rest of the money among the students. Okay, I want to create people who can work with this SketchUp technology and bring dollars uh, to Sri Lanka. Okay, so if you are a quantity survey, don't think about professional boundaries. Don't stick to the quantity surveying. Overcome professional boundaries and learn these technologies and earn money. Okay, money is very important. Then I know plenty of quantity surveyors who has the skills, and some of them don't know how to market those skills. If you want to become success, you have to market your skills. LinkedIn is the best platform to market your skills. Okay, after you finish in this course, you have to market your skills in LinkedIn platform. Then only you can get the highest value you desired for. Okay, so please prepare your LinkedIn profile properly. And if you have LinkedIn profile, please send it to me. I will evaluate it for you. then together we can make an impact. Then CV. Okay, so don't stick to the traditional CV. For a change, I have created my own resume website. I think I can't open it because I am in UAE right now. And I will send it to you. If you go to my LinkedIn profile, you can click on my resume website and you can observe it. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you have to create your resume properly. I'll teach you how to create the resume in order to obtain a job in the Middle East region. So it is very important. And the communication skills. If you want to become a proper quantity survey, you have to communicate properly. If you want to improve your communication skills and you want to improve your English speaking ability, you have to have a platform to do that. Okay, Toastmasters Club is the best place to do it. So we have IQSSL Toastmasters Club. I am the vice president membership. Okay, you you have to contact me if you want to come to our club. I will welcome you to the club and we will guide you to improve your speaking abilities. This will be a very good opportunity for IQSSL students and others as well. So this is the end. I hope you have learned a lot of things from this session, and I spoke like a parrot. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask now. And about Costex, okay, I will provide you university ID and university email to get Costex software. I will guide you in the process. First, we will start with the plan shift. I will send you all the course materials and software links for plan shift. Then you can download the software and you can install. Still, I think we have. Let me check the group. I think we have 3 or 4 slots. Okay, I think now we have 96 students and we only have 4 slots. If you're willing to join, you can still join. You can make the payment and join. Then first I will provide you plan shift software and I will send you a guidance to install that particular software. Then I will provide you Bluebeam review software. Then I will show you, I will send you a guidance to install that particular software. After that, I will send you university ID and university email to get Costex software. So yeah, any question? I finished my last course yesterday, Sinhala batch. And I finished my English batch last Saturday, and plenty of wishes, lecture recordings when it's possible to receive. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, it's very good point. Okay, I forgot to mention that. Okay, guys. Okay. Actually, this is a different program. Okay, I am a different lecturer than others. Okay, I want you to learn this software by heart, no matter what. Okay, sometimes you will miss the lectures. Okay, therefore, I will give you lecture recordings. Okay, you can cover all the things with lecture recordings. Okay, but please don't share those lecture recordings with external entities. Okay, it is not ethical. And okay, so I think you might hear this for the first time in your life. Okay, and I have another program for you. Okay, so I recorded all the lectures. Okay, I have pre-recorded videos for all the lectures. Okay, then I will give you a pre-recorded video after the session. Okay, then you no need to spend 2.5 hours by watching recordings. Okay, you can cover everything by using that pre-recorded video. Okay, but don't stick to that pre-recorded video. It's better to join for the live class. Okay, then only you can improve your speed. Then only you can learn these softwares in a prolific manner. Okay, then only you can ask me questions, and then only you can learn the short methods. Okay, so anything is possible. Any other question? Okay, I want you to learn this
Sir,
software
excuse me.
no matter what. Okay,
Hello.
yes.
Sir, is it possible to study the civil 3D as well?
Civil
Anyway, are
3D.
you lecturing? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, now I have because 5D BIM course. Okay, and I have Revit and Visa course, and I have uh, I have done one course for construction programming software, Primavera, MS Project, and Bexel Manager. Okay, so I taught those software, but I haven't started the Civil 3D course. And a lot of quantity surveys from Saudi Arabia requested me to do that because they are expecting Civil 3D, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Here, most of using
Yeah,
cost section
yeah,
and civil 3D. Civil 3D for infrastructure and cost section for
infrastructure.
the building. Yeah.
Yeah. I heard that. I heard that. Yeah,
Most of
I will
companies,
work
most of
on that.
company using.
I will
Okay.
work on that. I will work on that. I will design one course for that. Then it will be valiant for our
Because in Sri
Saudi
Lanka, we
quantity
used to
survey.
have a little bit part of the civil 3D because
Yeah,
there's no huge project. And here,
PH project.
it is huge. Yeah.
Yeah, if you're willing to work in NEOM project, you have to learn Civil 3D, right? Yeah,
Exactly, exactly.
yeah. I will work on that. I will work on that definitely.
Okay. Sir, is it possible to get your contact number?
Yeah,
Because
you can get it from the group, and I will share my contact
LinkedIn.
number here,
Okay,
or
thank
you
you.
can get from the LinkedIn as well.
Okay, so I need to talk to you personally. That's right.
Ah,
Okay.
+9476 2705699. Okay. Okay, guys, get ready for the battle. Okay, so we will start from the next week. So it will be very interesting. Okay, my lectures are no boring. Okay, you can engage with me throughout the session. You can ask any question. Okay, you can share your screen and ask questions. No problem. Okay, I'm very flexible. Okay, any more questions?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, welcome. So we have officials from IQSSL, I think. This is Suresh. Are you here? Shall we conclude the session? How long is this course? This will I will do 16 classes. Okay, I'll cover more than 40 hours, and I think IQSSL suggests me to put lecture hours in the certificate. Then it will count as CPD hours for your chartership as well. Uh, Tuesdays and Saturdays, 8 p.m. onwards in UAE time. We can complete the lecture series within 2 months. I have done it, and you will learn lot of shortcuts. Okay, those things will be very important in future. And I will share you one experience of mine. Okay, I think this will motivate you. This is Nata Mohammed. This is a great story I can share with you. Please. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, I have explained you the timing.
Sir, are we getting all these softwares like all together in once? We'll be getting it like as we progress through the course.
Yeah, you will get the softwares. Okay, once I start PlanShift, you will get PlanShift software. Then after that, you will get the Bluebeam review software. Then after finishing Bluebeam, you will get Costex software one by one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other questions?
So after install this cost as a software, is it loading too much machine?
No, no, no. It is
Okay.
very user-friendly software. Okay.
Because yeah, I'm working for one of fit out company. They're using the AutoCAD, but it's huge drawing 40,000
Yeah.
square meter the area, so it's too much loading. That's why
No,
it's
no.
easy to have the cost here.
Yeah. This is Costex is very user-friendly software, and you can import any number of drawings to this Costex software. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
So Tirtha, this is only for building model, buildings only, or any other infrastructure
So
like
basically,
roads?
yeah, basically I will teach you about buildings, okay? But you can use this software for infrastructure as well, okay? Time to time I will do infrastructures as well. Okay, so this is the experience I want to share with you all. Okay, this will motivate you. So this is Nata Mohammed. Okay, I renamed him as QS Software 12. Okay, and which is his experience. Okay, uh, I will show his message. Okay. Hi, brother. I want to thank you because I got an opportunity to work remotely for a Canadian startup because of PlanShift. The startup told me once I keep working with them for a couple of months, they will sponsor me to get to Canada to work there. Okay, so he is a young quantity surveyor. He is only 22 years old. Okay, and he did exactly what I advised him to do. Okay, he completed my QS software on all-in-one project, and if you go to his LinkedIn profile, you can see he posted every work in the LinkedIn. Okay, and he had he got this opportunity to work in a Canadian startup. Now uh, uh, they are processing his visa. Okay, and next month he will go to Canada. Okay, so it is a huge achievement. Okay, so if you think and if you work hard, you can achieve everything. So please take this seriously, and there are plenty of opportunities available in the world. You just need to focus and work. Okay, and I will give some advices time to time. Okay, please follow them. Okay, please create your LinkedIn profile properly. There will be plenty of opportunities. Okay, I can show you many messages. Okay, because I have trained a lot now. I will show you another one.
Sir, what's the scope of being a QS in the US? Because US is mostly associated with manufacturing industry, kind of like design and things like that.
Yeah.
So what's the scope of being a QS in America?
In you mean Canada, USA,
USA.
US? Yeah. So actually, in US, I think there is no profession called quantity survey. Okay, so they call quantity survey as cost engineer or cost manager. Okay, so the role is similar. We have to take off quantities and we have to prepare estimation and we have to do cash flow forecasting, those kind of things, preliminary estimations, and role is same, but w- we have separate name for that. So I will show you another testimonial. Okay, this is Sinhala testimonial. If you can understand Sinhala, this is for you. So අපේ කම්පැනි එකෙන් කොස්ටෙක්ස් කරන්න software එක අරගෙන lecture කෙනෙක් ඉන්දියාවේ ඉඳන් මෙහෙට ගෙනාවා $3,000 දීලා. කරලත් මේ ටික අපිට කියලා දුන්නේ නැහැ. අද තමයි වැඩේ සෙට් උනේ. හරි. මම මෙතනින් වැඩේ ඉවර කරන්නම්. Okay, I'll stop from this. Okay. So this is $1 million course. Okay, please don't miss this opportunity. Okay, learn by heart. Okay, and become a digital quantity surveyor and make proud of your make Sri Lanka proud. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for joining and have a good night and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye. Stay focused and stay blessed.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Good night. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Good night. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.